So, Talentless Maker here, and today's build is the Beetlejuice model build, as you can see. I thought I'd try a voiceover today, so here we go. And this is me cleaning up the model, taking away all the support material and cleaning it up ready for primer. Stay tuned for more insights. And here we are having a test fit. Always test fit everything to make sure things fit. That's what you're doing, testing that they fit. Isn't the English language wonderful? So all the pieces are back from priming. This piece for the headstone was primed in grey, so I'm giving it a paint colour of grey, because that's what you do. Drying it up and painting the lettering in red. Well, it's more of an orange red for the base coat, and I'll go over it with some more reddy colour using Army Painter paints and some just generic acrylics. Starting the process of masking off the body for the black and white stripes, and somewhere along the line I realise this isn't going to work. I felt like masking off white instead of black, so I take all the masking off and paint everything in black, hoping I've not made a terrible mistake. Once that's done, mask off the black bits and give it a shot of white. Hopefully this will work. Do you think it will? while the body is drying, start the weathering on the tombstone, firstly giving it a nice coat of Valero black wash. This stuff is tenacious, it gets everywhere and stains like Billy-O. If you don't know who Billy-O is, look it up. So staining with the black, taking some off with some isopropyl alcohol, making it nice and weathered. Now onto the head, mixing up the colour for the skin tone. I didn't want the base colour to be white, just a very, very pale skin tone. So mixed up some white, some skin tone, and there you have it. Also green for the hair, because Beetlejuice has green hair. And adding on some white paint over the primer, and ready to unveil the masking. Happy sighs of relief, it is revealed that the masking has worked as planned. Touching up some of the black, and a very happy cat, ready for a quick test fit. Now on to the final weathering. Quick dry brush of some grey on the boots to make the highlights stand out, and some tonal wash for the rest of the suits for the shadows and dirty bits. It's a dirty boys, Beetlejuice. And on to finishing the head. The black for my eyes, some green highlights around the face, some washes, and dry brushing on the hair. Details for the eyes, and mouth and lips. So it looks vaguely undead. Time for the final assembly, gluing on the gravestone to the base and the legs to the gravestone. Overall, I was very pleased with this build, happy with the paint job, especially on the tombstone. I think that looks exceptional, and I'm getting better with these detail work. If you like what I do, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, do all those things that YouTube like to do to push me in the algorithm. Eat a cheeseburger, tickle a ferret, whatever makes you happy, and at the end of the day, that's all that matters. The Talentless Maker, signing off. Enjoy the rest of the video, stick around for the money shot. Bye now, see you next time.